All right, so this lesson is really similar to the lesson we've already done. We're just taking a look at how many solutions will a system have. So if the lines intersect, then there will be one solution. Now, that's if you graph it out, but you don't have to, right? You can just look at the equations and you know you're going to have intersecting lines if the slopes are different. So you will have different slopes. You don't have to look at the y-intercepts if the slopes are different. So the y-intercepts do not matter. If the slopes are different, there's going to be one solution. Now, if you have parallel lines, remember the solution is where the two lines cross. So parallel lines will have no solution. That's if you're looking at the graph. But if you're looking at the equation, they're going to have the same slope, but they're going to have different y-intercepts. So that's how you know lines are parallel and they won't have a solution, is because the slopes are the same, but the y-intercepts are different. And then finally, if it's the same line, that's infinite solutions. So that's when you graph a line and then the second line is graphed right on top of it because they are exactly the same. So when you're looking at the equation, they're going to have the same slope and they're going to have the same y-intercept. So everything is the same. So again, if they intersect, the slopes are different. If the slopes are the same, they're parallel if the y-intercepts are different. If the slopes are the same, they're the same line if the y-intercepts are also the same. So these are the three types of solutions: one solution, no solution, infinite solutions, and then looking at the equations, this is how you can tell how many solutions you'll have if you look at the equation.